back to Caden Weather. Coming up in today's video, we're talking about Tropical Storm Elsa as it is currently over northern Florida, which I guess I can say now it's southern Georgia, but I'm going to give you the most detailed updates I've ever given on Elsa so far, and also some thunderstorms are rolling through some places in the United States. Give you some updates on that, and normal uploading schedule starts again now. So uploads at least every 3 days at max. If life doesn't get in the way and everything goes as planned, I should have enough time, at least maybe every day now, to give you guys updates and videos if a lot of stuff in the weather is going on. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. Also, if my voice sounds a little different, I do have a stuffy nose. I'm not sick or anything, just stuffy nose. But let's get into what everyone wants to see. These are the current alerts from the National Weather Service currently on Tropical Storm Elsa. We do have tropical storm warnings on the coast of the Great Bend of Florida, touching inland, and even on the Georgia coast, even into South Carolina, tropical storm warnings. We do, and it's also bringing, again, it's still strong, bringing tornadic activity into Georgia. So we do have a tornado warning currently in Georgia with some tornado watches too. So it's still very strong. We're going to get more details on that, but in the meantime, let's look at some severe weather going on in it's a big area here, let's say the northeast, and stretching all the way from Rhode Island, Massachusetts, all the way to Indiana, Michigan, that area. Lots of severe thunderstorm warnings across that area. So just a quick update on that, but let's focus on what the video is about, is Tropical Storm Elsa. Here's the current infrared satellite on Tropical Storm Elsa. As you can see, as we speak, it is it is actually weakening, but it actually might re-strengthen. We'll talk about that later. But right now, as you can see, the current detailed infrared satellite, it is just now going into Florida, right at this second, it's just now going into Georgia. Still very strong. It's not any different than it was in Florida. It's bringing tornadoes. It's bringing flooding, everything into Georgia. So Georgia, you guys need to be just as prepared than Florida. I hope you're prepared right now at southern Georgia, because this is still very strong. But that's the current infrared satellite. And who else needs to be prepared? Well, we're looking at the track right now. So we're looking at, as you can see, it's a tropical storm right now in southern Georgia. But then notice this. So it weakens, right? It goes into a tropical depression. As it goes into South Carolina by Thursday, stays a depression until it goes all the way up into the northeast. Then watch this. So, it likes water. It goes into the water, the ocean. It re-strengthens, and then it turns back into a tropical storm as it goes into the northeast, like Connecticut, Rhode Island area. So it's not over. Even when it goes into a tropical depression, it's going to re-strengthen off the New Jersey coast, I think, and then re-strengthen into a tropical storm as it goes into the northeast. So really interesting right there. So it's not over until Friday at least. So that's a pretty short amount of time. So it's not going to be like a whole week. It's going to be like 3 days from now, 2 days from now. I'm going to give you updates day by day as this goes on. So look out for that. Look out for another video tomorrow. Let's look at our future radar here. I'm pretty sure it has to load up. Yeah. Okay, so as you may notice, here it is right now in Georgia. You can see it right there. That's the little part of it. That's the main part. That's the eye. But again, tropical storms don't usually have eyes. They're kind of, they're not as, what's the word for it? Organized, yeah. They're not as organized, like I mentioned that a lot. But this one's pretty organized. Again, it was a hurricane at one time, but it's tropical depression now. And then you'll notice it starts to weaken, starts to get really scattered in South Carolina. And then as it goes up into North Carolina, still the same thing, still pretty, I think that's going to go. Look at how unorganized that is right there. Goes up, and then, wow. So I don't think this is very accurate, because as we go this far into the future with this radar, I don't think it's very accurate, but let me just tell you, it's going to get more organized again as it goes into the Connecticut area, and then you know what's going to happen. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I might be uploading every day, like I mentioned before, but hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Stay safe with Tropical Storm Elsa to re-strengthen again as it goes into the northeast coast. Stay safe, stay weather aware. See you next video. Bye.